we did some donuts in the parking lot and hit a pole.
Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy.
What's good, y'all? It's Vlogging with Trey, and I'm back with another one. And today, I'm about to do a ride along in, what year is this? 2018.
Lamborghini Hurucan.
Lamborghini Hurucan. Y'all see it. Now, this thing is actually kind of famous around the city. A lot of people talk about this one in the groups and stuff. I've never actually seen it in person. So I'm glad I get to finally sit in one, see one in person up close, and get to do a little ride along. So stick to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do it now. And yeah, man, we about to hop in this Lamborghini Hurucan and go for a little ride along, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Stay tuned. See you at the end. Actually have room on the inside.
Yeah, more than you expect.
Yeah, look at that. You can see the engine in the back. This thing's tight. That's stock exhaust in there on it.
No, it's aftermarket exhaust.
Aftermarket. Clean, suede everywhere. Jeez. Is this auto or you have to shift with the paddles?
You have the option. I can put it in Strata, and it'll shift on its own like a regular car, or I can do paddles, sport, which is sport, same way with Strata, and then Corsa, it makes the exhaust louder and you manually shift it, and that's what I usually drive it in.
Corsa is like the top notch.
Yeah.
Get in race mode.
Yeah.
I've never ridden in one of these things. This thing is nice. Maybe one day when I'm rich enough, I'll grab one.
Me too.
This thing's dope. I like this. Soft stitching. This thing gets up too. Out of all the cars that you told me y'all had, which is this one your favorite one to drive?
Yours, by far. Yours by far. This one's fun. I mean, it's fun for sure. It's fast, but there's nothing that compares to that Urus.
If y'all don't get the Urus back, y'all should just go ahead and get the Aventador.
Yeah. This is two-wheel drive though. It's only rear-wheel drive, so.
thing actually puts you in the back seat. That is, or not the back seat, but in the back of the seat. This thing is crazy. I had no idea they were that fast.
They're fast. They get faster than this one.
Oh yeah, for
that
sure.
was nothing compared to what we've been in this thing, but we got up to about like 126, 130 something just now.
That was crazy. That was insane. I think this might actually be faster than that R8 I rode in.
It's right up there with it, for sure.
Yeah, both V10 power. That one was a 6-speed though.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, manual car.
Yeah, this thing drives just the same. Like, I mean, it feels like a regular car. It's not. I mean, you're obviously driving a Lamborghini, but
yeah, it does. Being on the inside, it does feel regular, but when you see it on the outside, it's like, bro, you can tell it's a supercar. Oh, this thing just looks everywhere.
Oh yeah. See, like, look there. Right?
Little kid over there. Look at this guy's got his camera out. This thing just looks everywhere. You don't see them much here though.
No, that's why it gets so much looks, yeah.
Like you go to Kansas and see them every here and there, but out here, I remember when y'all first got the Urus, and I see it in random spots through the city. I couldn't believe my eyes. And that exhaust sounds good too. Wasn't expecting that one.
Yeah, with Strada, that's like your regular, like this.
And it still gets down.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm impressed with this. So you think the Urus is faster?
This is faster, like, but off the line, like from a dig, like that Urus has got it all day long.
It's 4-wheel drive, isn't it?
No, this is 2-wheel.
No, the Urus.
No, the Urus is all
Yeah,
yeah. That's one of the main reasons, but
I think I like the Huracan better though. The Urus is probably more comfortable for a tall guy like me.
when you're driving them, it's the way they handle. If these two cars could made together, and I had the handling and the torque of the Urus, and I would say looks, but that car does look really good.
They both look good.
Yeah, but it's hard to pick one or the other. Like, they're just like, if you're buying one, might as well buy two.
Yeah.
So
That's the benefit, both of them. This thing is nice though.
if you're picking from Huracan to Urus, now if we're talking Aventador or Murcielago or
I'll go Aventador all day.
Yeah.
The SVJ.
Yeah.
That thing's insane.
That would be the car to pick, but if we're talking between the two cars that we have available right now, then Urus, yeah. And you can fit more people in it, and you're still riding in a Lamborghini, so.
And a supercar. Now is this one available for rent right now?
Yeah, you guys can rent it right now.
So if anybody wants to get the experience of driving a supercar, it's
You won't
for rent.
regret it. You won't regret it.
Oh yeah, just in the passenger seat. This thing is crazy. I can only imagine the driver's seat. But it is available to rent.
One World Auto.
One World Auto. You have the Facebook page, don't you?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I'll make sure I put that down in the description. So
Yep. Our number is 816-863-5494.
One World Auto. Make sure you guys hit them up and rent you a supercar. Damn, this thing hard to get out of. Shit. So what's the difference between like this one and like an LP 610 or something? Don't know. Yeah. So I see in the group a bunch of times people talk about this car. Did it get wrecked or did y'all take the bumper off for heat?
Well, wrecked, no. We did some donuts in the parking lot and hit a pole. It was funny. It's on video somewhere. I'll have to get it. But he was doing donuts and he was like, all right, I'm done. And everybody's like, no, one more, come on, one more. And he's like, I'm tired. And anyways, peer pressured him into it. And he hit the pole and it knocked the bumper off and bent this back rim. But we can get the bumper fixed. We have the bumper to it. The bumper is fixed, but we just like the shit people give us.
It looks better without it though. No lie.
I mean,
Like,
we could paint the silver piece black and tuck away the wires and stuff. I mean, there's obviously stuff we can do to make it look a little better than it does, but we find it funny that people like to hate on it.
You know, they say with the Huracans, they have a bunch I guess heat problems at the back. Like if you ever pay attention, the burnt up Lamborghinis is always at the back.
Yeah, a lot of time people, especially when they put twin turbo kits on them, they'll just leave the bumpers off.
Yeah.
And Huracans especially, but
I think it looks better. I should just keep it off and just, like you said, paint the silver part.
But when a customer wants to, if they want to rent it, we can put the bumper back on there if you'd like it on there. But for us, we don't put it on there.
I think I'm gonna rent this thing. I want to drive it. Take it out for a weekend or something. This thing's nice. But as you see it, another ride along. About to go here and chop it up with them. But make sure y'all go to One World Autos Facebook page. And what's the number again?
816-863-5494. Ask for Billy.
Ask for Billy. Make sure y'all rent you a supercar. Get the experience. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment or something. And I'll see y'all in the next one, guys.